Hello everyone, welcome to part 5. I hope you learn a lot from other series. Today our tutorial will base on this Vincent van Gogh quote. Great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. So I have divided this tutorial into small tasks. So we will not feel laziness and also we will not get bored. And learning will also become easy. Okay, now let's start our tutorial. Our first task will be monster nail modeling. First, before modeling we will focus view on thumb. To do that, select one face of thumb and go to view menu and select frame selected. By doing this, the face you selected will be now center of focus, which is very important during modeling specific part. Okay, now select the face of extruded part of thumb and again extrude and start making shape of nail. Whatever shape you can make. Process is also same for fingers. For thumb video will be slow and then for fingers I will speed up the video. Because process is same and your time is also valuable and mine also. So anything important and new will come, I will explain. Okay, our task 1 is completed. Now task 2 will be adjusting thumb direction and smooth out vertices. And here is important advice: don't copy exactly what I am doing, just watch mine then do it in your own way. Just focus on completing our goal and how I am doing. In which way you do it doesn't matter. What matters is our goal. Just learn from others and then make your own way. In this task we are adjusting thumb shape and its direction. As an reference you can watch your own hand and adjust. Task 2 is completed. Now task 3, in which we will join hand with arm. To do that, go in object mode and first select our hand and then by pressing shift select the body. Makes a body should be selected last. Then press Ctrl J. This will join our hand. But still have to connect vertices manually. So go into edit mode and then watch how I merge the vertices of hand. Merging is very simple, just select the both vertices that you want to connect, then press M and select the option which is suitable for you. Here I am choosing at last option because I don't want to mess up the direction of vertices. Don't worry, you will get the idea. After joining of hand will complete makes it a shade smooth. Okay, task 3 is completed. Now task 4, in which you will learn very important lesson of your life. And that is how to actually learn from mistake in real practical or world. As you have seen here, I have made mistake by making mouth big. Because my mentality during modeling this mouth was plain like white paper. I was not thinking about anything. I was just making mouth by extruding and all that stuff without any consequences in my mind. But after modeling this big mouth, sometime after, I realized I have made the mistake. The consequences of this big mouth will that it will look creepy like a evil Joker is smiling. And you can clearly see the proportion is also off. So I hope you get the idea. Always look for consequences before doing anything. Okay, now we will model mouth. Now you can follow along. Nothing new, same. If anything new will come, I will tell. Okay, further process of mouth we will do later. Task 5 is blocking feet. So to focus on modeling feet, we will separate out the loop first. So select the legs end loop and press Shift D to duplicate. Then press P to separate the loop. Then select our new loop and go to local view. By going in view menu, after go in top view and adjust the direction perfect as I am doing. After adjusting, the process is same, extruding, scaling and adjusting. Here goal is just to make feet base. If anything new will come, I will explain. Here I am checking proportion. Always regular check proportion during modeling. Later in adjustment state it will become easy for you. You can see here the power of proportional editing. The more you will use tool and practice and become familiar with them, you will get automatically idea at what time which tool you can use. Okay, now we model feet fingers. It's same process as hand fingers. Here we want 3 feet fingers but face is 2. So to make 3 I am doing this process, watch carefully. And for joining vertices use Ctrl J. See, now everything is in quads. Now we have 3 faces, from which we can make our fingers. The process is same and easy as we done with hand fingers. So I am not gonna repeat. You can also understand by observing the process. In task 7 we will join our feet with legs by merging the vertices. Before doing that I will adjust the feet little bit. Now I am giving anatomical structure little bit. To make him believable, you can also see your feet as reference. After adjusting, give support loop in legs. After select the middle end loop and delete it. After holding shift select first feet then select legs and press Ctrl J to join them as one mesh. After go to edit mode and manually merge the whole loop one by one. Task 8 is proportion adjustment, which is very important. To see what is off, zoom out far, you will clearly see. Here see legs are too long. I don't want long leg character. So I will short out little bit. So go in edit mode and select the bottom area of legs. By pressing G then Z. And adjust the size that you want for your character. Okay, today all of the task is completed. In next series, which will be last one, we will adjust eyes, topology, adding teeth and tongue. Make character size to real world and much more. Okay, goodbye for now.